The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hello everyone. So we're pretty calm right now. There's nothing much hardly in terms of cloud cover, let alone rainfall. And even the rain that's falling right this minute is staying pretty light. In the Gulf of Mexico, there are some showers developing off the Florida coast, but further towards the west along the Mississippi River, there's only little pieces here and there. Now, considering a lot of air is coming up from the south, running into some cooler air from the northwest, that's going to develop more and more. And that's why we're looking at that rain system coming through on Sunday. But if you've got any pictures of the nice weather or Christmas decorations like this one from Linda at Illuminites, we'd love to see those. Go to WSLS.com/pins. That's the easiest way to get those uploaded to us. Now, for today, a lot of our temperatures ended up pretty well into the 50s and 60s, even getting to the mid-60s towards Roanoke. Tomorrow, I think we've got even warmer temperatures than today in most spots. Roanoke looks like a degree or two cooler, but most of us are going to add on a little bit of heat. And then on Sunday, things are going to change. We're going to notice the winds picking up a little bit on Sunday itself, and then even more on Monday as that system comes through. So we've got gusts up towards 30 miles rather consistently behind the front. Like I was saying, that moisture that's collecting in the Gulf is going to move further and further up towards the north, carrying warm temperatures with it. We'll start to see showers early on Sunday, and then that cold front will move further and further towards the east. As it does, it's going to pick up the intensity of the rainfall, especially Sunday afternoon. That's when we start to see some yellows and oranges, so higher rainfall rates. That means we're going to end up with more falling in a shorter amount of time, and that gives us the chances of flooding that we have. They're pretty low, but technically still there for some of those areas that are a little bit more flood prone than others. And then with plenty of colder air wrapping around this big low pressure system, that's going to interact with the moisture and turn into the wind that we have, but also some snow up into the highlands and NRV. I think it'll be pretty similar to what we saw kind of Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Not a whole lot falling, might get some stacking up on our northwestern slopes, but not a ton. Now, right this minute, it looks like the worst rainfall is going to be towards the Chesapeake Bay and up into New England, but we're still getting a decent amount of rainfall. 1 to 2 inches in most places, might even get a little bit more than 2 inches in south side. That looks to be the rainiest spot for right now. Right this minute around Martinsville, but we'll keep you updated as that gets a little closer. That system's also going to bring temperatures way down. Sunday, our high is still technically in the 60s, which is well above the 51 that it is in an average year. But a lot of that high is going to be pretty early in the day, 10, 11 o'clock, and then we keep on losing heat. Then we continue to cool down all the way through Monday. That puts us below average, and it takes some time to improve. Even by Friday, we're only a little bit above, not nearly as warm as we are this weekend. Tonight, temperatures fall back down towards the 30s. Blacksburg at 33, Danville at 36. That's warmer than we were last night, so holding on to the heat that helps us warm up on Saturday. Withville gets to 62, Danville to 65, and Roanoke to 63. And then temperatures fall a little bit on Sunday for the actual high, but remember, most of these high temperatures are kind of early in the day, and then we keep on cooling. We end up in the 30s that night. Then we only get to the 40s on Monday, and then the 20s that night. So after that rain, we've got plenty of colder air. When you pair that up with the wind behind the front, it's definitely going to feel colder than what the actual temperature is. We improve a little bit on Tuesday. That gets us back towards average. And then we stay within a few degrees of average and dry all the way through the rest of the work week.